Hi guys! Welcome sa Siplayan. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on composition of functions. No? And in this video, magpa-practice pa tayo. No? So, we have two functions. F of x equals cube root of x plus 5 and g of x equals x cubed minus 5. So what is f of g of x? So f of g of x. G of x. So, ano magiging input natin dyan? Yung input natin ito, di ba? So, meaning we have f of x cubed minus 5. And pag nandito yung x cubed minus 5 sa loob, ibig sabihin yun ang isa-substitute natin doon sa x, no? So, whatever the value here, for example, 3, no? Di ba pag nag-f of 3 tayo, sinasubstitute natin dun sa dito sa x, no? So, magiging magiging cube root of 3 plus 5, no? In the same way, pag tayo ay nag-f of x cubed minus 5, substitute din natin yan dito sa cube root of yung x. Papalitan natin siya ng x cubed minus 5. So, bali itong part na to, no? So, substitute natin siya dun sa x. So, magiging x cubed minus 5, itong part na to, plus 5. No? So, x cubed minus 5, and then I have a plus 5 here. No? Meaning, this is equal to x cubed na lang matitira dito kasi minus 5 plus 5 is 0. So, x cubed na lang matitira. And cube root of x cubed is just x, di ba? So, ang x cubed, ang cube root means x cubed. Ang cube root means to the 1/3, di ba? So, makakancel yan, x to the first power, which is simply x, no? I-blue na natin. So, f of siguro i-block na natin dito. So, f of g of x is equal to x. Kasi ito, this one is also equal to x. Okay, what about g of f of x? So, g of f of x. Medyo mabagal tayo kasi nagpapalit tayo ng kulay, no? Para at least makita nyo. So, this is equal to ito naman, itong cube root of x plus 5, i-replace naman natin siya dito sa x cubed. So, baliktad naman ngayon. Kasi yung f of x naman yung sa loob, di ba? So, magiging g, no? G of cube root of x cube root of x pala. Cube root of x plus 5, no? So, magiging what is g of cube root of x plus 5? So, substitute naman natin siya dito sa x cubed. So, magiging equal to, this becomes equal to yung x, magiging cube root of x plus 5. So, cube root of x plus 5, yung x, pero may cube tayo sa labas, and then meron tayong minus 5. This is our cubed, and then we have a minus 5 here. And this is equal to, what is x plus 5? Cube root of x plus 5 cubed is just x plus 5, no? This is just x plus 5. Di ba raised to the 1/3 yung cube root? So parang ang square, ang cube root of x plus 5 raised to the third power, no? Is this the same as x plus 5 to the 1/3, no? Kasi ang cube root is 1/3. And then raised to the third power. So, by laws of exponents, ang 1/3 times 3, no? Ay 1, di ba? Multiply natin to, di ba? Sa laws of exponents. So, x plus 5 na lang siya, kaya siya naging x plus 5 dito. No? And then you have a minus 5 here. So, magiging x na lang siya. So, this is equal to x. This is equal to x. So, therefore, g, no, g, nangyari dito pa wala. G of f of x is also equal to x. Napansin nyo, pareho sila, di ba? Napansin nyo is f of g of x is equal to g of f of x, which is equal to x. Pareho silang equal to x. So, pag ganito, may special relationship yung dalawang functions na yan. Silang dalawa ay inverse function. Meaning, f is the inverse of g, no? And g is also the inverse of f. No? So, pag-aaralan natin yan sa mga susunod na tutorials ng inverse functions. No? Okay, so that's it. Ito yung ating last video dito sa tutorial natin on composition of functions. No? Mag-abang-abang pa kayo sa mga i-upload natin later. Pwede kayong mag-subscribe sa channel natin. No? I strongly encourage that you subscribe sa youtube.com/user/ship9ph. And follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/ship9ph. And of course, our website. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next tutorial.